Hi, welcome back to another video of RPA Coder. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your terminal look cool with the help of PowerlineShell. If you are wondering why you should use the PowerlineShell, there are many reasons. First, mainly that it looks very cool when compared to the default one. Then, you have a feature where it will turn the segment pink if the previous command was incorrect. For example, if I misspell sudo here, you can see that the segment has turned pink. Then, one of the main reasons many people use it for are the Git features. To show you an example, let me clone one of my repositories. As soon as I change directory, you can see that a new segment appears which shows the branch. Now, let me quickly edit a file. Let me add a comment, hashtag subscribe to RPA Coder, which you should do by the way. Then let me save the file. And now you can see that a new segment appears with a pencil emoji showing that a file has been modified. Now let me create a new file and simply add a comment. Like and share this video, which you should also do by the way. Let me save this file. Now you can see that a new segment with a question mark appears, which tells us that a file is untracked. Now if I stage the file with grid stage, you can see that a new segment appears which has a tick mark showing that a file has been staged or ready to commit. Now if you see a segment with a star, it shows that there's a conflict. Now that I've been able to show you most of the features, let me show you how to install it. To install PowerlineShell, we're going to be using PyApps. If you don't know what PyApps is, it is an app store for the Raspberry Pi created by Botspot. First, let's open a browser window and go over to this GitHub page at github.com/botspot/pi-apps. Here, if we scroll down a little, we will find the two installation commands. Let's copy them and paste them into a terminal. When it asks you if you want to install YARD, type Y and click enter. Once the installation is over, close all the windows and you'll find the PyApps desktop shortcut. Click on it and click on execute. You will see that a PyApps window pops. If you scroll a little, you will find a PowerlineShell app. Click on it and click on install. Once the installation is over, close the terminal window, close the PyApps window. Now, if you open a terminal, you will see that there are some weird question marks. We can easily fix that by rebooting. So open the application menu, click on logout and click on reboot. Once the reboot is finished, open a terminal and you will see that there are no more weird question marks. Another thing you could do to make your terminal look more cool is that you can install Neofetch and configure it to launch at startup. If you are wondering what Neofetch is, it is a command line system information tool written in Bash. If you open a terminal and type Neofetch, it will show you all system information with the cool system logo. To install Neofetch, you can use the command sudo apt install Neofetch. Once the installation is over, use the command code ~.bashrc and hit enter to open the .bashrc file. Scroll down to the bottom and add a line that says Neofetch. And save the file. By the way, if you're wondering how I open VS Code from the terminal here, make sure to check out my other video where I show you how to replace Nano with Visual Studio Code. After saving the file, close the VS Code window and close the terminal window. Now, if you open a new terminal window, you will see that Neofetch launches on startup. If this video helped you, I would really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button and also give this video a like and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to join my Discord server, RPI Coders, where you can get help with my tutorials and also the Raspberry Pi. Thanks for watching and don't forget to check out my other videos.